of GEO and GEOS is the free and open exchange of available data, and the U.S. has always been at the forefront of making all of our Earth observing data open and available to everyone. The U.S. research program, primarily from NASA, is presently flying 16 research satellites, as you can see there, in coordinated orbits, making these global but high-resolution measurements of many different variables. Measurements of oceanic processes, measurements of land processes, and measurements of atmospheric dynamics and atmospheric composition. And it's only by being able to make all of these measurements from a fleet of spacecraft at approximately the same time that we can understand the linkages between processes that occur on the Earth. But making the measurements alone is not sufficient, because we need to develop the understanding. And the only way that we can analyze those measurements efficiently is if there is free and open data exchange, so that the scientist who is interested in studying a particular problem, or the decision maker who requires information about a phenomenon, not simply a variable, can get all of the data that he or she needs from US spacecraft, from international partner spacecraft, from in situ measurement systems, from airborne systems, and get all of that data to then analyze to develop the understanding and the information product. It is the ability to make measurements of the Earth from the vantage point of space that has enabled us essentially to understand the Earth as an integrated system, because only from the vantage point of space can we make high-resolution, small-scale measurements over large areas and frequent measurements over long periods of time, to therefore be able to resolve changes over the whole range of spatial and temporal scales.